The Maple Leaf Learning Playhouse. Hey guys, let's make the feeling dice game, okay? Yeah! First, you need to print out this paper, okay? And you need 2 milk cartons to make a dice. This is a very easy way to make a strong dice. Just mark it on the bottom like this. Don't cut yourself. And cut it out. Great! Now do the same with the other milk carton. Great! And cut it out. And grab the 2 pieces and slip them together, like this. Done! Now grab the paper and cut these pieces out. Wow! Now you need some glue. Glue on 1 piece on each side. Like that! Great! And we're all done. Oh wait! We still need to cover our dice with some tape. Yeah, just wrap the whole dice with this thick tape. This will make the dice stronger and last longer. And waterproof too. Yeah. Good, and we're all done. That was easy. Now it's time to play. I'm sad! Wow, you try. I'm sad! Oh no, you try. I'm happy! Very good, your turn. I'm sick! Oh no, your turn. I'm happy! Very good, your turn. I'm sleepy! Your turn. I'm sleepy! My turn. You know, sometimes just having a simple little prop like this can make the learning process a lot more fun. It's much more interactive than just using simple, boring flashcards. Well, I hope your kids enjoy this activity, and if you're looking for a fun song about feelings, why not try this one? Maple Leaf Learning.
If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. I'm happy. Are you happy? If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. If you're angry, 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 stamp your feet. If you're angry, 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 stamp your feet. I'm angry. Are you angry? If you're angry, 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 stamp your feet. If you're sick, 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 blow your nose. If you're sick, 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 blow your nose. I'm sick. Are you sick? If you're sick, 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 blow your nose. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. I'm happy. Are you happy? If you're happy, 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 clap your hands.
Thanks for playing. Maple Leaf Learning. Hi Hi guys, I hope you're happy today. If you subscribe, I'll be happy too. Yeah.